Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'll be telling you how to clean your e-mug. This e-mug is by Nescafé and is getting somewhat more popularity these days because people are getting an inclination towards automation or towards automating machines, and this e-mug is a perfect example of automating a coffee. So I'll show you how to clean this stuff. For cleaning purpose, I'll tell you the way to clean the complete mug in 2 steps. One will be to clean this overlid, and the second will be to clean this inside mug. The important thing to note over here is that this mug has some specific inner material, and this inner material is not that rigid or that stable to withstand this cleaning cloth. So what you can do is you can get a good liquid detergent, like I'm using this from Amway. What I'll do is I'll take single drop and I'll put it inside the mug, then I'll fill water inside, and you can see a good amount of lather. This is just because of the detergent which I'm using. This is specifically created for your kitchenware, because I cannot use the normal detergents or normal cleaning clothes for this mug, because this will damage my inner surface in the coating. So what I can do is I can use my fingers to rub inside, and this foam will be cleaning out my mug. So so you can clean it as per your own choice. This is the best way to clean this. If you're using a cloth, I'll not recommend that, because that can damage your inner coating and that will build something like damaging your mug. So now the second part is to clean these caps. This cap area is somewhat delicate to clean, because when you're drinking your coffee from this hole, so the milk might get stuck over here, so that can like create some problems for you. So you can pour a bit of water over here. You can just simply use your fingers to clean it. You can use this rubbing effect to clean if some material is stuck. After that, you can close the lid, shake your mug for 5-10 seconds, and then you can throw out the water. Use fresh water again, shake it. You can repeat the steps until the leather is not there. The leather, I mean to say, the foam is not there. So just shake it, throw it, that's it. So this is the best way to clean, and you can use your finger again to check if the mug is properly cleaned or not. Now once the mug is clean, you can fill water inside, you can close the lid, and you can keep it for later use. So once this cleaning is done, you can just simply enjoy your life. And when you want to drink the coffee, you can throw this water inside, the water which is there inside, and then you can fill it coffee material, and then you can create your own coffee. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. This is not something more informative, so I'll not request you to subscribe, but if you want to subscribe to my channel, definitely you're welcome. Thank you.